Welcome back to the channel that helps you grow into the best version of yourself. This episode is especially for those who are stuck on the New Year phase and still cannot make their year better. If you're experiencing the same thing and you are stuck in the loop of "I'll do it tomorrow" or "from Monday," then do not worry. Solar got you. In this episode, I will be explaining to you 10 easy steps you can do to make your new year better. For schedule, we'll make another episode where I will be explaining how to fix your routine and schedule. So let's dive right into it. How to be happier and better in 2024. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals is crucial for personal growth and success. It often happens that we have a certain goal in our mind, but we do not map it out or write it out, and we never know what exactly we want. For instance, people say, "I want to lose weight." Rather, they should say, "I want to lose 10 pounds by this date." This will have a clear impact on your mind. Secondly, write it down. I want to lose 10 pounds. I will go to the gym. I will do this exercise, these sets. By writing it, you already mapped it out. And after mapping, all you need is execution. Therefore, write your goals and execute then. Practice self-care. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential for overall well-being. It involves taking time to prioritize your mental, emotional, and physical health. Simple acts like getting enough rest, eating nourishing foods, and engaging in activities you love can make a big difference in how you feel. Learn something new. Challenge yourself to learn something new this year. Continuous learning keeps your mind sharp and expands your horizons. Learning a new skill can enhance your confidence and self-esteem, opening up new opportunities for personal and professional growth. It also keeps your mind active and engaged, improving cognitive function and memory. Out of comfort zone. Stepping out of comfort is very important for growth as it pushes you to become better, and sometimes that growth happens when you are out of your life and daily routine by taking calculated risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. Stepping out of your comfort zone makes you brave and helps you learn a lot about life. The risks must not be life-taking or life-threatening. By stepping out of your comfort zone, you discover the beauty and hardships of life. The risk-taking. Stepping out of your comfort zone is a big, well-known formula for people in the stock market. Likely to invest in yourself, you need to step out of your comfort zone. So for 2024, take chances and shoot your goal. Focus on mindfulness. Practice mindfulness to stay present and reduce stress, whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few deep breaths. Mindfulness can improve your overall well-being. By meditation and exercising, you can ease stress, which ultimately helps improve your mood, that helps you stay positive and helps you keep moving forward. Cultivate gratitude. You need to be happy and live in the moment by appreciating with what you have, by counting your blessings. Once you accept it fully, you will know good times are rolling in. You need to have gratitude and practice it. You can also be happy, better, and practice gratitude by giving back to others, to the one who deserves, by donating. Once you do this act, you will feel happier from inside, and it makes you feel and become a better person. Health and fitness. A healthy body and a healthy mind is a key to fulfilling life. Sometimes it happens that we are drained of energy, and we think that is because we have done a lot of work. But in reality, we haven't done enough, so work out for more energy. Eating healthy is also a big step to make your life better. It can change the way your body works and also can make you feel lightened, as no oil is good for health. Healthy foods also provides the nutrition and power your body needs, so you can have a healthy lifestyle. Healthy foods are the way to success, brain power, and physical power. Practice time management. Time is money. Time is success. Time is everything. Time never waits for anyone. Every passing moment is crucial for you, and you decide what is the right time. If you truly master the art of using the time, you basically will get control of your life and most of circumstance. Building positive relations. You need to surround yourself with people who loves you, who motivated you, who push you to become a better you. Those surrounding will make you feel happier inside. Give back to others. Giving back to others when you are blessed makes you feel better. It helps you feel more happier, and you smile when you see the other person's genuine smile. Becoming better must be your main concern, and I believe in you. You will become. It's all about willpower.